In primetime news this evening, census highlights the worrying drop in the number of babies being born in Jamaica.
Manhunt on for a beryllium worker who stole over $15 million.
And dealers disguising themselves among the homeless to sell drugs. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now here is Sandy Williams with a preview of what's to come in the business day.
Thanks, Kalisha. All Jamaica Consumer Price Index rose by 0.8%. That and more later in the business day.
Thank you so much, Sandy and Kalisha. It's Wednesday. Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the big show.
Big things happening, Anthony. The Reggae boys are getting closer to World Cup qualification. Big win over Bermuda last night. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thanks, Jermaine. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Weak winds across the Caribbean are helping to generate those afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and we do still expect a peak on Friday when there is a tropical wave moving into the general area. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
And I'm looking forward to hear about that. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you believe can be done to encourage more Jamaicans to have children?
Please share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.